100 ml of this. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइज। तो दिन की शुरुआत होती है नींद होने से। आई स्लेप्ट वेरी लेट यस्टरडे, अराउंड 2:30 AM समथिंग, 1:30 to 2:30 ऐसा कुछ तो आसपास में सोया था। एंड आई वॉज प्लानिंग टू वेक अप अराउंड 9-9:30 ताकि उसके बाद दिन की अच्छी शुरुआत हो। बट समथिंग केम इन द डिलीवरी सुबह 5 बजे।
ये जो कहानी है नींद की होना, इट इज नॉट न्यू। Every day, every week, every month, every year, I make a resolution. I will be resetting my sleep cycle. And every time I have failed miserably. First, it was the late night football matches, passion. Then it was working on my businesses, hustle. And now, if it's not that, it's social media. This device, smartphone, a device designed to be smart. But nobody saw it coming that the very own species that created this smartphone will start becoming dumb. अब यही simple example ले लो.
I'll just show you what it is. It's this high protein milk by Provilac. Now we ordered this on their website yesterday. Sorry, on their app, क्योंकि वेबसाइट से ऑर्डर नहीं कर सकते, ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ता है, सब बुलशिट। पर वो ऑर्डर करने के बाद मेरा कंप्लेंट ये है कि दीज गाइज डिडंट गिव अस अ टाइम स्लॉट टू चूज़ फ्रॉम। दे जस्ट अज्यूम दैट जैसे नॉर्मल लोग सुबह सुबह दूध आता है उनके घर पे और चाय के साथ पीते हैं, वैसे उनको प्रोटीन मिल्क भी चाहिए रहेगा। और मैं समझ भी सकता हूँ वाई दे मेड दिस अजम्पशन, बट अगेन दे आर जस्ट फूलिंग देमसेल्व्स, क्योंकि उस पर उन्होंने खुद लिखा है डू नॉट हीट। तो चाय में तो कोई यूज़ करने नहीं वाला है। तो 5 बजे बंदा डिलीवरी वाला मुझे फ़ोन कर रहा है। एक तो मैं फट गई, सुबह सुबह 5 बजे मुझे कौन कर रहा है भाई, उतना किसको मुझसे प्यार है या फिर दुश्मनी है, क्योंकि यही 2 केसेस है जिसमें तुम इतने क्रेज़ी टाइम्स पे किसी को कॉल करोगे। पर मैंने पहले 2 बार उठाया नहीं। अब मैंने ट्रू कॉलर पे देखा तो किसी बंदे का नाम था, मैं बोला मैं जानता नहीं हूँ तो उठा लेता हूँ चलो। देन ही सेड अरे प्रोविलैक से बात कर रहा हूँ, ये वो है, मतलब समझिए 5 बजे नींद खुल गई।
सिर्फ दूध जैसी सिंपल चीज मंगानी है तो भी इस स्मार्टफोन का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है। सो इफ देयर्स एनीथिंग that this smartphone has given me in the past couple of months or maybe even years is regret.
In the past couple of days I've realized something about myself. अभी ये लद्दाख प्रेप के बीच, कंटेंट क्रिएशन के बीच, so these are the 2 main things that I'm doing right now, apart from obviously finding some investors for my business. But actively अगर मेरा कहीं पे एफर्ट्स इन्वॉल्व है तो वो है लद्दाख में और कंटेंट क्रिएशन के प्रेप में, लद्दाख के प्रेप में और कंटेंट क्रिएशन में. Now the main limitation that I am facing with this, you see, as I've told many times before that I have always been an athlete since my childhood, पर मैंने कभी वो आइडेंटिटी ओन अप नहीं की थी, perhaps because I always felt the need to prove myself. Besides that point, I was a photographer for more than 5 years. So from the age 16 I picked up the camera. I was always into photography. Then later on I got into videography because filmmaking really appealed me. Creators like Sam Kolder वगैरह वगैरह, Peter McKinnon, इन लोगों को मैं YouTube पे बहुत देखता था. So I started exploring a bit into videography. Filmmaking भी बहुत सारी ट्राई की हमने. I tried to assemble a team. Now as I stand here right now, the limitation that I face is I am not giving my 100% into these 2 things. And the biggest reason for that is social media. यहाँ पे I've added YouTube and Instagram. Now is this necessary? Not really. पर मैं वो रखूँगा. पता है क्यों? Because I've been wired to stay in the loop. And the more I scroll, the more I am gonna be into it. That is the whole problem. Hope you understand.
By the way, guys, I have a very huge announcement to make. Very huge.
Today is when we are finally, after so many weeks of hardships, struggles, roadblocks, बार बार चीज़ों में प्रॉब्लम आने की वजह से जो हम इतने दिन से नहीं कर पा रहे थे, आज हम फाइनली वो करने वाले, एंड दैट इज रजिस्टरिंग फॉर द लद्दाख मैराथन. यस, आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ डिगिंग वी फाउंड अ नंबर जो लद्दाख मैराथन के ऑफिशियल ऑर्गेनाइजर्स का था, एंड आई टॉक विथ मिस्टर मुथू एंड आई एक्सप्लेन हिम माई एंटायर प्रॉब्लम. पूरा का पूरा प्रॉब्लम मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया उनको. One of which was in Ayodhya on the 13th of April, and I travelled to Ayodhya from Mumbai and got the e-certificate finally. And the second marathon was supposed to be on the 20th, day after tomorrow, which was the Navi Mumbai half marathon, which was supposed to be conducted in Vashi, Navi Mumbai.
Okay.
But unfortunately, yesterday I received a message that the marathon has been cancelled as the organizers had some issue. Okay, since then, for the past 24 hours, I have been trying to find a new marathon so that I could complete it, a new half marathon, so that I could compete in it and give you the e-certificate, like the e-certificate that you guys need on the portal, right?
Yes.
But I have not been able to find any other marathon before the 21st. Now, I have found another marathon, which is the Bandra half marathon in Mumbai, which is scheduled on the 27th of April.
Okay.
And I am planning to register for that. So I was hoping if you could accommodate this situation in some sort, so that it could be possible for me to achieve my dream and finally register for the Ladakh full marathon.
Okay. You're Vishal, you said.
Yes, my name is Vishal Joshi. I had also mailed you about 10-12 days ago about the same situation, and I also
Okay. No, I think your case was discussed within the team.
ओके. और उन्होंने वो प्रॉब्लम सुनने के बाद their reaction was,
Fine, Vishal, yours a very genuine case.
and your good name, sir?
I'm Muthu.
Muthu.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Muthu, sir. Hi. So guys, a very huge and a very happy update coming right now from the Ladakh team. Yes, Mr. Vishal. We think that your problem is a genuine problem, and we are gonna let you register for the Ladakh marathon. You just have to do this, follow these protocols, and you're all set. तो आज हम वो करने वाले. I am very much excited for it.
Now, while you watch me working out in the gym, let me tell you a realization that I have recently made. Social media is not the enemy, it's merely a tool. A tool designed to give you more than you ever imagined. But just like anything in the world, if something can offer you the world, it can also snatch it away pretty easily. लड़के जो आशिकी में खो गए वो क्यों हुआ? पहली लड़की उनकी दुनिया थी, फिर लड़की गई तो दुनिया भी उजड़ गई. एग्जाम्पल थोड़ा एक्सट्रीम है, बट आई होप यू गेट द पॉइंट. इट्स जस्ट अ टूल, यूज इट लाइक वन. कंटेंट बना रहे हो, ग्रेट, यूज इट. In fact, create more and limit your consumption. Tell me one place where you don't take your smartphone with you. Shower, toilet. It's present everywhere. Do you need to? Absolutely not. It makes no sense to be constantly attached to nothingness and just be a witness of someone else's life. Use it to progress or just don't use it at all. Because you are what you consume.
I have a petition to just remove all the speakers from all the gym around the world. Please, if you are with me, just comment down below yes. क्योंकि ऐसे गाने सुनने से अच्छा कुछ नहीं सुने यार. Everyone is carrying their earphones anyway, and those who are not, they certainly don't want to listen to such shitty music. Tired man. Fucking stylish bencho.
And now, the moment that we all were waiting for.
Ladakh Marathon. I accept the risk and the indemnity. Indemnity का मतलब मुझे पता नहीं, but it sounds like a heavy word.
इंश्योरेंस का ये लोग अभी से ले रहे हैं।
नहीं वैसे तो बड़ा मुश्किल था मगर जैसे भी हो बीत गया। हो गया अपना काम। ऑल द हार्डशिप्स हैव पेड ऑफ। अब जब रेस फुलफिल होगी, रेस कंप्लीट होगी, तब इस चीज़ का रियलाइजेशन और ज़्यादा और हेवीली होगा। फॉर नाउ आई एम हैप्पी, आई एम एक्साइटेड, आई एम नर्वस, आई एम ऑल द गुड थिंग्स।
After going through such a roller coaster of a day, I have nothing more to say. Just that it's time to lock in. Do like the video if you enjoyed it, and do subscribe if you want to witness my full journey towards the Ladakh Marathon 2025. I will see you in the next one.